Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat vitamin C tablets. First, it's essential to carefully read the instructions on your specific vitamin C product. Different formulations, like chewables or effervescents, have unique preparation methods. Always have a full glass of water ready, especially for swallowable tablets. This ensures smooth consumption and proper absorption. Understanding your tablet type is the first crucial step for effective intake. Once prepared, place the vitamin C tablet on your tongue. Take a generous sip of water, then tilt your head slightly forward to help the tablet go down easily. If it's a chewable tablet, make sure to chew it completely before swallowing to aid absorption. For effervescent tablets, allow it to fully dissolve in about 4 to 8 ounces of water, then drink the solution promptly. This ensures you get the full benefit. After taking your vitamin C tablet, it's a good idea to drink a little more water. This helps ensure the tablet fully dissolves in your stomach and aids in digestion. Proper storage is also key to maintaining potency. Always keep your vitamin C tablets in their original container, tightly sealed, and store them in a cool, dry place. Avoid areas with high humidity, like bathrooms, to prevent degradation. When taking vitamin C, always stick to the recommended daily dosage. Typically, this is between 250 milligrams and 1,000 milligrams for adults. Exceeding this can sometimes lead to mild digestive issues. It's always wise to consult a doctor or pharmacist before beginning any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions. Taking your tablet with a meal can also help prevent any stomach discomfort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.